Hello,
Hi.
channel. I'm here with a very familiar face. Hi, Otis.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad.
What's the situation with your car?
It's got a swimming pool in the front and the back. In the passenger footwell, and the footwell at the back where my son sits. It's very wet.
Nice. Should you have a look at it?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, cool. Oh, just give us a little glimpse of what you've got going on in there, please.
So when I drive, I can see the water slushing to the front. So I know there's a lot in there. Look at that.
Look at that. Nice.
That'll go out.